In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark invoices as paid and add payments. This walkthrough will help you record payments accurately, notify clients when appropriate, and keep your invoices list clean and up to date. Start by going to the Invoices section on the left side of your screen. This is your main hub for all billing activity. Once you're there, scroll through the list until you find the client whose invoice you want to mark as paid. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct client and invoice, especially if the names or amounts are similar. When you found the right one, open it and click on Add a Payment. This option is your direct path to recording that the invoice has been settled. If you need to mark more than one invoice as paid at the same time, use the checkbox next to each invoice to select multiple items. After selecting all the invoices you want to process together, go to the Bulk Action dropdown at the top or bottom of the list. Choose Add a payment from that menu. This groups your actions so you can handle several invoices in a single go, which is a big time saver when you're clearing a batch of payments. Next, you'll see the Payment Details panel. In the Payment Type field, choose the method the client used, such as cash, card, bank transfer, or any option that matches your records. Selecting the right payment type keeps your reporting accurate and helps with reconciliation later. Add the payment date in the Date field. Use the actual date the payment was received, not necessarily today's date. Matching this to your bank deposit or processor report will make your accounts consistent and easier to audit. You'll also see an option to send a payment notification to the client. If you want your client to receive a confirmation that their payment was recorded, check this box. This serves as a professional receipt and reduces follow-up questions. If you don't want to send a notification, simply leave it unchecked. Before finalizing, quickly review the client, invoice, payment type, and date to ensure everything is correct. When you're confident the details are accurate, click Save. The invoice will be marked as paid and your records will update accordingly. That's it. Whether you're updating a single invoice or handling multiple at once, using Add a Payment, the Bulk Action dropdown for multiples, selecting the correct payment type, adding the payment date, optionally sending a notification, and clicking Save will keep your invoicing organized.